as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong. One Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
We have our former Mutyan ng Davao, Hannah Mas Bishop!
At sino naman ang nagsabing walang supporter? Si Tatay Digong!
O, iba!
Tatawa-tawa pa ang nagsabing walang supporters? Sinong supporters nga? Papayag ba kayo nun?
Hindi ito edited! Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng tao sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
At ang sigaw ng
Duterte!
mga Davaoenos ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong matagali ng adlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will never forget!
Today is the day when the world will never forget who we stand for as Davaoenos.
Isang malaking hiyaw! Pauwiin si Tatay Digong!
And who are we standing for?
Duterte! Duterte!
Tapos puso po natin ginagawa to, walang bayad, tama?
Tama!
Mayaman tayo!
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
If only you could see yourselves from our point of view, this is a very emotional moment for us. would see this, kahit man lang sa video. But I'm sure the spirit that we have here right now is radiating all the way to the Hague, Netherlands. And we are really praying for the immediate release of our Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat na Boenyo. Ang haba pa nito. More than 3,000 of you shouting the same name.
Alam niyo ba, hindi lang sinasabi nila na ito yung mga ordinary citizen ng Davao City o ng Davao. Kayo po ay sinasamahan din kahit yung mga milyonaryo kasama nyo ngayon. May mga sampung sasakyan kasama nyo ngayon. Yung mga nakatira dyan sa Bolivar sama-sama ngayon. Yung nakatira doon sa Kapantian kasama nyo ngayon. Sama-sama tayong lahat para kay Tatay Digong.
Mahirap, mayaman, nagkaisa para kay tatay!
So, hindi totoong walang nagmamahal kay Tatay Digong. Totoo ba walang nagmamahal sa kanya?
Ang daming nagmamahal hindi lang dito sa Davao, but also in the different parts of the world kung saan merong Pinoy. Barangay 23-C joins the Solidarity Walk for FPRRD.
Barangay 14-B Community.
We call for justice, we feel for our beloved and respected former president.
Ito barangay namin. Barangay Alfonso Angyong Marcelino. Mga kabarangay. Barangay Salsa. Lea, mga barangay mo.
Mga taga-sasa, mag-ingay! Walang sasa! Asa ba taga-sasa?
Barangay 3-A. Magingay ng Malacan.
Bawal ba?
I didn't really expect na ganito kadami. I was only, looking at 1,000. Boy, this looks like 5,000 of them joining here this morning. Maraming salamat po.
Barangay Komunal!
Yes, protect the Filipino people.
Now let's welcome ang pagsik ng 2nd Congressional District Contingent!
Dear Tatay Digong, kami imong mga anak nagpaabot sa imong pagulit diri sa Davao. We are stronger and we will be louder for you, FPRRD. See you sa imong birthday po, Tay. We love you.
Barangay Tumoy.
Barangay Dumoy, mabuhay. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Barangay Pampanga.
Barangay Anglonggo.
Itaas ang banner para we can read, I am not a sub-Saharan for nothing!
Yes. Oh, yes.
From the beautiful people of Wakanda!
Yes.
I'm asking everyone, let's have a unified chant, okay? Bring Tatay Digong home in 3, 2, 1, go!
Bring Tatay Digong home!
Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong
Home! Bring Tatay Digong home! Bring Tatay Digong home!
Okay, we will say President Duterte and you say bring him home.
Duterte.
Bring him
We are not Filipinos for nothing. Duterte, bring him home. President Duterte,
Bring him home!
ang dami pa.
Hindi pa natatapos.
Barangay Wilfredo Aquino!
We are not a Filipino for nothing. We stand with FPRRD. We protect the Filipino people. Bring back the President Duterte.
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
For President Duterte!
Bring him home!
Davao Women's Volleyball Alliance. No, we stand strong for our PRRD. Okay, sabay-sabay nating sisigaw. President Duterte, bringing home, bringing home. President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte,
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte.
Bring him home! Bring him home!
Barangay Ubalde. Barangay Ubalde.
Barangay Mahayag! Unawan District!
Nakaka-goosebumps watching these people showing the solid support for our former president. If only
If only Tatay
he can
Digong
see
can
what
see
we are
this.
doing.
Barangay Kabatian, taas ang kamot!
Bring him home! Bring him home!
President Duterte!
Bring him home!
Mabuhay tayong lahat,
We stand in your
mga Dabawenyos.
Maraming
Thank you.
salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Thank you for standing behind our former president.
This will definitely make a difference.
Barangay Munawan proper! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Team Apostol! We have former Councilor Apostol. Sir,
Mabuhay po tayong lahat!
mabuhay po kayo. From Barangay San Antonio. Antonio Madina. Madina. Agdao. Agdao. And Barangay Buhangin. With Cap Omar Duterte.
from Davao City, from all walks of life, coming together, standing behind our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Maraming salamat po.
Standing together, walking together with one common goal, to bring Tatay Digong back home.
This is showing our love and gratitude to our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Hindi po pinilit lang mga tao na pumunta dito.
Yes.
Pusang loob po, with all their heart. Maraming salamat po.
People even spend their own money from their own pocket para lang makarating dito. Printing t-shirts,
Gumising na madaling araw.
banners. Hindi po pera ng bayan ang ginamit dito. Sarili namin pera.
Hindi po to bayaran.
We have Barangay Governor Pasiano, Bangoy Agdao.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang former President natin, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Di tayo bayad! Di kami bayad! This is blood, sweat, and tears
Yes.
from the people of Davao, showing our solid support, standing behind with FPRRD! Barangay Izon, Vincent Izon Sr. May buntag sa tanan. Dad,
Di kami bayad.
Di kami bangat.
at ayaw namin magpabayad. Because kusang loob natin tong ginagawa. Showing our support, our love, and
We have
gratitude.
a group from Councilor Mirna Dalado Ortiz Dokmata. Dokmata is here.
Bangat!
Mabuhay ka, Dok.
Grabe. Some of them went here as early as before the parade even started. Nandito na sila. Nag-aantay.
Alam mo kuya, ilang days na tayong walang tulog. Dahil di natin alam kung kailan makakabalik si Tatay Digong. But I think today, we will be able to force them to send Tatay Digong home.
Let that with all our hearts. Babalik at babalik si Tatay Digong sa atin. Maraming salamat, Davaoenyo.
We are not Filipinos for nothing.
We are doing this as one Davao. Bring FPRRD home. Maraming salamat po sa pinapakita niyong suporta.
Salamat.
Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.
If only you can see yourselves here. Very touching, very emotional po. Bring Duterte home. Yes.
Let's claim it. Let's claim it. Makakauwi si Tatay. Let's claim it.
Barangay San Antonio, Fire Brigade, Fire Rescue. Maraming salamat. Gawing support. Mabuhay tayo.
Mabuhay tayong lahat. To all the volunteers, daghang salamat sa inyong tanan.
CSU, PSSO.
There are,
Salamat po.
yes, there are individuals who printed shirts to give away to the people who participated in the parade. Daghang salamat sa inyo.
Ang daming volunteers, ang daming mga tao talagang nag-alay, pagkain.
nag-donate.
Yes.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure Tatay Digong would say the same to each one of you.
And as always as we say, President Duterte, bring him home!
Bring him home!
Bring him home! President Duterte,
Bring him home!
We stand with FPRRD! Mabuhay Tatay Digong! We stand behind you! Yes, thank you very much for your time!
PDRMC Barangay Mintal,
At hindi po di...
PDRMC 19-B,
Yes.
One of the legacies of Tatay Digong, the 911.
Yes. The first in Davao City.
The first in Asia.
Yes. At hindi po dito nagtatapos ang ating parada Davaoenyo. Kung gusto nyo po, you can proceed at San Pedro Square. Later tonight, we have